Good morning guys, I'm Patrick B. Damian. I'm going to discuss the changing color for Android Studio. So first thing that we're gonna do is to make a design. So in design, we only need is the button for the color me. Then for the code is we only need the Android ID. And then for the main activity Java, the view of the screen view and the button click me. Then the in color para sa mga color na gagamitin natin for the background. Then the screen view art ID, then click me for the button. Then gumawa tayo ng method for the button on click listener para magamit natin yung button click. And then let's try and run. So wait for a minute. And kapag kinlik natin yung color me, mag-change siya ng color, yung background. Then yellow. Naka-random tayo. Then purple. Then yellow. Then gray. Then blue. And then yellow ulit. Then purple. Then white. Then gray. Then red. And then gray. Okay. That's all. Thank you.